it's Lindsay from Minecrafty Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Very excited. Today I have my July sticker kit lineup for my memory planner, and we have all beach kits all month long, and I am super excited about that. I'm very excited to be at the beach. I'm very excited to be using all of these gorgeous summer. I can't wait to pull out my summer foil, and let's jump in. I don't have a leftovers D-stash giveaway this month. I am currently a little bit behind in my memory planner, so I need to film a couple more plan with me's before I have enough stuff to give away there. So stay tuned for that. That will probably be coming next month in my kit lineup. But in the meantime, I'm so excited to share all of these gorgeous kits with you. I can't wait to plan with all of these. So I'm hoping that over the next month or so, I get some more time once the kids start camp and my work usually calms down a bit in the summer, that I get some really good quality time with my memory planner, because I certainly miss planning in here. Anyway, I am going to go ahead and start with actually the last week in June, which I didn't share on my last kit lineup. It is one of those weeks that kind of straddles the month, and sometimes I do it. Sometimes if I know what's going on, I'll set up the kit the month before, but sometimes I don't, and I didn't know at this point. I was still waiting for a bunch of summer kits when I did my June kit lineup, and now I have them all, so I decided to just hold off. Anyway, for the week of June 27th to July 3rd, I will be using this kit from the Pretty Pink Co. called Vitamin C. It is just this absolutely gorgeous summer kit, beach kit from the Pretty Pink Co. And it gives me like very Atlantic vibes, which I always like in a beach kit, because we go to the Atlantic Ocean, although I don't really know what, I think it's like the hills of the dunes, like with the grass growing on them, and the lighthouse, but I'm not really sure why that's Atlantic to me, but I don't know. It reminds me of the beach we go to, so I really like it. It's got this really soft color palette. It is silver foil, and here is the functional page. So this is a kit reformat since the last time I planned with one of her kits, and I'm really excited to go ahead and use this. You have this page with some of these like cute little like Post-it note boxes, some circles, flags, this sidebar piece, some headers, really pretty, nice kit update. You have this floral washi and then a really plain washi, your Monday through Sunday date cover, some little arrows snuck in there. And then now all of her add-ons are the larger ones. So she has a couple different add-ons on offer. I did just get the floral one. Generally speaking, I would prefer the smaller one, just because like the smaller sheets usually cost less, and I don't usually even use a full one of that floral, but since it wasn't an option, I did go ahead and grab the full sheet of florals. So I will have to make sure to make this a very floral spread, but I'm really excited to plan with that. So that's what I'm going to be using for the week of the 27th. Then we can jump back over to July and the 4th of July, and I actually love this kit so much. So I'm going to be using this kit from Hello Petite Paper, which is just called Beach Kit, and it's a reformat of a kit last year, and it's not specifically a 4th of July kit, but it's got like the red, white, and blue, and especially on the shells, so I felt like it was giving like very subtle 4th of July energy, which I thought was just perfect. And we will be at the beach for 4th of July. We almost always are, so yeah, I absolutely love this. And it says life is better at the beach. I wholeheartedly agree. It says it twice. It's got 2 of them, and I just can't wait. So this is foiled, and it is in gold foil, and this is on her newish premium matte paper, which is just so nice. And I went a little crazy with Hello Petite Paper. I actually have 3 beach kits from Hello Petite Paper this summer, so lots of Hello Petite Paper coming your way. Again, this is a reformat since the last time I planned with one of her kits, but you do have the checklist, a bunch of functional items. This page is not foiled. Then you have this page, which is foiled, with the date covers and some more functional stuff, and some headers down at the bottom, and then some icons, some really cute doodle icons, some really tiny stuff that you can squeeze into the spread. I absolutely love this format. I think it's going to work super well for me. A little bit of deco right there. I love that weekend banner with the shell. I don't usually use a weekend banner, but that's so cute. And then this bottom washi, you've got these really cute anchors, and then the floral with the stripes, and a Monday through Sunday box as well. And then I actually did order a floral deco add-on for that. She does have these now, and she actually was so sweet and threw in 2. So I have 2 to work with. So again, I will have to make sure that this is an extra florally and seashell-y spread. So I cannot wait to use that as my 4th of July kit for the year. Then next week after that, the week of July 11th, we're going some mermaid vibes. I have this April 2022 mystery kit from Scribble Prints Co., which I got in a like random pull mystery box order that was like so amazing. I was so happy with that box. And this is like honestly, this might be one of my favorite full boxes of all time. I love a back of the head girl, and this is a back of the head mermaid. I'm so excited to plan with this. So anyway, I have this absolutely gorgeous kit. Like, just like, look at that. So pretty. So this is a mystery ultimate kit, and it did come with like, I think a lot of the extras. So there is a lot of stuff in here, but here are the full boxes. You have this with like the double box for the mystery, a bunch of functional items, all of this deco. I love these mermaid tails. So fun. And then I think this is gonna look really nice with, I think, silver foil, or no, it looks like I pulled out gold foil for this. So oh yeah, because there's like gold and silver accents in this. Honestly, you could use anything, but I have these Planahana underlays that I'm going to use with this. I'll show you them in 1 second. So you have your glitter headers, your rounded page. Again, this is an ultimate kit, so just tons and tons of stuff. Your plain functional page, your pattern functional page. Look at those mermaid scales. I have so much mermaid stuff. I'm really just very excited. Mermaid washi, I think that must be a different skin tone of the, oh yeah, it's just a lighter skin tone of that mermaid right there. And then you have this extra box, or this extra page, which comes exclusive to the ultimate kit, which has some alternate skin tones in an extra full box, which is like a mermaid eating ice cream. I think I mentioned this when I hauled this, that I just like don't understand how you are eating ice cream in the ocean, but you know, suspend your disbelief. And then another skin tone of that other box. You have some more quarter boxes, and then some plain bottom washi as well. So then I also have these underlays, these mermaid underlays from Planahana, and I thought that that would be really fun to use with this kit. So I have been storing them together with the intention of doing that, and I think July 11th will be the week that I tackle that. Then next up, the week after this, the 18th, I have this gorgeous Miss and Meow kit called Ocean. Oh my gosh, this is so stunning. It's like very beach, but it's just a totally different aesthetic and vibes, and I cannot wait to use this. I think it's so pretty. Miss and Meow, she has just such an amazing creative eye. I absolutely love her kits. So this is foiled in silver, and it says, "Let the ocean set you free." It's just so beautiful. And then this is the functional page. Got a wide variety of different sizes and shapes on here. And then this bottom washi, which, like, come on, that is just so gorgeous. Both of those washis are so gorgeous. Your sidebar pieces, your date covers, which are a bit plainer, and then 2 half boxes, a bunch of icons. I love her icons as well. Her icons and Hello Petite paper are like pretty much the only 2 icons included with a kit that actually JK Creates Co, I think she has cute ones too. So if you're gonna include icons with a kit, like, make them cute and also make them match the kit, and also be ones that I already have in my collection so I can pull in more to even match with them. But yeah, those are just so gorgeous, and they have just a smattering of foil, and then you have the headers down below. And then I did pick up the floral add-on for this as well, which is this sheet right here, the mini size one. Super cute, and I cannot wait to plan with that. Then for the last week of the month, which actually ends on the 31st, so it is fully in July, so I did have to pick a kit, and I'm gonna go with another Hello Petite paper kit. This one is called High Tides, and then I have another Hello Petite paper that I'll use later in August, but this one says High Tides and Good Vibes. This is more of like a pool/beach kit, but we're going with it. Super cute. You've got the ice cream, the florals, the bathing suit. Again, I think this is a reformat from last year, and we have this functional page. It's the same format as before. Bottom, your date cover, some more functional stuff, headers, this other doodles, deco, little things. Again, just this is a really good kit format. I'm very happy with this reformat. Gorgeous bottom washi, some midi, some 1/3 size stuff, and then I do also have the floral deco add-on for this kit as well. So that is the kit from Hello Petite paper, and that is actually all of my kits for the month of July. And that is actually everything for my month of July and for these sticker kits. I cannot wait to plan with all of these, hopefully soon. I am hoping that I'm gonna get some really good stickering time over the next month so that I can catch up on a couple of weeks, but I will of course go back and forth in my memory planner and plan some recent weeks as well. That's just usually what I do when I'm behind in my planner. I like to mix it up and work on different weeks, so I'm really excited about that, and I'm really excited to use all of these kits and so much beach foil that I have, because summer season is my favorite, and I get so excited about it, and I like love all of the seashell art and deco and everything, so I tend to go really hard on the foil items as well, so I have a lot of really fun stuff to bring into all of these spreads, and I cannot wait to plan with them. So if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know a kit you'll you'll be using in the month of July down in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you don't already to keep up with everything going on in all of my planners and in my life. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye.